So we are at Buc-ee's right now. We made a pit stop to use the restroom because we are going to. Where are we going? Yeah, we're going to San Antonio. Just for the day, spring break started, so why not take a little trip with my friends? And I actually bought something. I'll show you guys right now. So we are leaving Buc-ee's right now, and it's raining. So, fun fact. Something always happens when we take trips or when we want to plan something out. Nothing ever goes right. It's okay. I know, but we kind of got used to it, you guys. So it's whatever. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to show you real quick what I got because I actually kind of fell in love with it. So if you see closely, it has cactus, and if you know me, you know I love cactus. So
if you know, you know.
I could, yeah. If you know, you guys, we're already here at San Antonio. We're in the Riverwalk, and we're trying to take some pictures in this side right here. So we're here. We found a place where we can like ride for like I guess half an hour, and so we bought our ticket right now. It's kind of rainy, and I'm the only one that did not bring a sweater because I thought it was gonna look cute and it was gonna be sunny, and I didn't check the weather. So lesson learned. She came prepared, but she doesn't have a hoodie. So now that the ride is over, we're just walking around again and see where we can take pictures. And did you like the ride?
I did, but I was just a little sleepy from the ride.
From the ride? Yeah, because we were running on like 3 hours of sleep because we slept really late yesterday and we had to wake up at 5 and we ended up leaving the house around 6:30. So right now we're at a little place next to the river walk called La Villita or something like that, and I think it's like little antique shop. It's kind of empty right now. I think it does get full like in the nighttime or like in the evenings where the light looks nice and everything. And right now we're waiting on Elizabeth and Maria because I think they went to go get coffee for like the second time. I think later we'll probably go to the safari. That fun fact that in fourth grade we actually had a field trip to go to and we didn't go. So I think you didn't go. I didn't go.
Oh, I went.
You did?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's why I wanted to go again.
Well, okay, so I didn't go, and I've been wanting to go since like fourth grade because my mom did not let me. I was a little fourth grader. She's gonna be like, "What are you gonna be doing there? Anything can happen, etc., etc." ¿Qué?
Cactus.
Ay, ¿cuál?
To take
That is
pictures.
not a cactus.
Over there.
This is a sábila.
¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso?
Oh,
Do
okay.
you guys not agree that this is like a really cute place right here? And not gonna lie, everything looks so expensive. I haven't even checked the price. Okay, let's check the price. Okay, this gives me like señora vibes. $56 por una camisa. No, hombre, no nos vayan a cobrar nomás por verla. I think we should just go. But oh, you guys, this is my outfit of the day. I found Maria right now, and it's starting to rain again, and we have no umbrellas, no sweater. What did you get?
I bought something nice.
Why? Excuse me. Okay, this is what you see like Mexico. What is that?
One of these.
Like what?
One of these with purple.
¿A $16?
Yeah,
16. Is it good? For your room or what? I used to have Christmas vibes, a little piñatas. You guys, the one time I did not plan this or what we were gonna do, it starts raining. I have no umbrella. I have smells like pee. I have no sweater. But it is what it is. Here we are. So right now we came to eat at Boba's 33. It's our first time here. I don't think they have this in Houston. And I think I'm gonna get a burger. I was thinking I don't know what to do. You guys, so much. This is the food right here. And I am not gonna eat this because I don't like it. Maria's not hungry. She said that she doesn't want to eat this.
I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna see.
Okay, we're about to eat. Okay, guys, so we're done eating, right? And the food was
good. It was
Yeah.
really good.
I recommend. So if you guys come to San Antonio, then I recommend. You guys, good news. So it stopped raining. The sun is out, which means the animals are gonna be out. So we might be able to see them soon. You guys, so we already arrived here, and then we parked just so we can like go use the restroom and stuff, and then we're gonna go see the giraffe.
use the restroom.
I need to use the restroom. No surprise. But we're gonna go see the giraffes later right now. And then we're gonna get back in the car and feed them from there. I've never been here, but apparently you feed them from the car and you like drive really small. You drive really like slow. That's what I meant to say. And yes.
Baby girl. How do you feel, baby girl? So right now we are currently wow, outfit of the day. Wow. Vean, pues sí los aquí.
Vámonos.
Vámonos de aquí. Let's go explore more.
Okay.
Uy. Oh my god, I already got. Oh, look at this one.
It's like, don't even get me started. Can I grab one? Mira estos.
He's just looking at the wall.
Pick up baby goat. You can pick up one. Oh,
Maybe they're mad.
he said do not. They're in timeout. Getting kissed by the camera number 2. Okay, he wants some attention. You want some attention?
Is this food? I don't know.
Yeah, that is food. That is food.
Yeah.
¿Por qué se lo das así?
I don't know. Here.
Dáselo así, like, así.
I like your little obia.
Can I feel your baby?
You
Is
got
that pregnant? Yep.
Did you just eat or are you pregnant?
O estará...
Answer that. Pregnant.
Oh,
Sorry, my mom. She preggo.
they just look like rocks,
Let me
bro.
find out y'all trying to become vegan. Let me find out you're trying to come here. Kicha, you're
Oh,
so
he's coming. No, he's not.
So we're currently what? In the ranch, and we're noticing that many of these animals look very sad. Very sad. So
You can see the rain. Ay. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Traigo broncas con Cupido. Oh, pones un corrido. Oh my god, oh my god. No!
so y'all bitches gonna give me food.
Dude, I'm scared.
Oh my god, you're so cute.
Get her food.
Oh my god.